Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. I will be looking to add some more color stock tomorrow here. I just want to follow this up by saying we know Trump is in office. A lot of you thought we're going to get a lot of volatility. It's going to be the greatest 4 years ever for the bull. For people thought it was going to be just Trump in office. We're going to go to the moon. That's not what happened. But hey, we're getting some cheap shares here, so I'll be looking to add some more tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm looking to add. We kind of had a lot of green today, so it's looking good. But we just have to be cautious in the sense that Trump is really the one he's the one causing the markets to move. With the tariffs, Canada and Mexico and China, and who the hell knows what else might be next. But with everything that's happening, anytime he opens his mouth, what happens? The stock market reacts. Kind of like when NVIDIA CEO opened his mouth and said quantum computing is still far away. What happened to quantum computing stocks? They dropped 50%. So we still have to be cautious and aware of that. And that's why I've been telling you guys to spread out your buys. If you're just lump summing, like if you lump summed at $2, I did not lump sum at $2. I bought very small position. Like I bought like 1/10 of my position. If I had bought all of my position there, I'd be holding technically a bag, right? I'd have to like triple down to bring my average down just to 150. That would be silly. So this is why I've been saying spread out your buys. Right now, you wanted Trump volatility, you got Trump volatility. You're going to see it volatile to the downside, unfortunately, for the time being. But if I recall, Elon Musk did say it's going to be ugly for a while, but it'll get better. If that's the case and they're going to follow through, then this is the ugly part. We're just going to see stocks get cheap, and then eventually we'll have another bull run. And if you're not buying right now while everyone's scared, you're going to miss out. So I'm buying more tomorrow. Again, it depends on what. I think Trump is speaking later today. I'm not sure. But correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't he going to talk again about the tariffs? So with the whole tariffs and everything going on, the market's going to get spooked. And who knows? He might say something that sends the market tanking. He at this point controls the markets in a way. Anytime he opens his mouth, it's either going to go up or down. So either way, we win. If it goes up, great. I'm already, buying cheap on a bunch of stocks, specifically Bitcoin mining stocks. I'm buying cheap, so if it goes up, great, I'm going to make money. If it goes down lower, cool, I'm going to add more. Thank you for the cheapies, right? Like that's the kind of mindset you have to have. And that's why you spread out your buys. That way your average isn't all the way at the top somewhere. And just be grateful that you're not a sucker. If you're not, you just be grateful you're not a bag holder all the way up here. Like those people are screwed because my target is still $3. And if you look to the right hand side here, KULR awarded U.S. Navy contract to develop high-temperature internal short-circuit cells for enhanced battery safety and critical applications. And that was on November 25th, 2024. And let's look at that big green candle here. This one, November 25th. It was on a Monday. You can see the date down here. Look at that. November 25th, 2024. U.S. Navy contract. And what did that lead to? Led to a nice little pump here, cool pump, right? But then it continued, and that, my friends, is the power. That's the power of a contract, and that's what we're waiting for. That's what we're betting on. That's really what we're betting on. We have had no bad news on this stock. There has been no bad news. The next contract this thing gets, it's gonna blow. That's not including the fact that it keeps buying Bitcoin as an asset, and a bunch of other things. I think doesn't it do stuff with NVIDIA as well? NVIDIA, Jetson, Edge. Yeah, so this one's gonna, when this blows, a lot of you who aren't buying right now, you're gonna be like, I should have bought it. Now I have to chase. You don't want to be the chaser. You want to be the one that just sits back and watches it. Everyone else pushes it up for you. All right, guys. That's it. I just wanted to show you, remind you, this is the play we're making. We're playing for the contract. We assume and we believe and we have the conviction that this will get another contract and it will explode again. And it has done this. Again, this one has a lot of explosion. So it really is just a patience play kind of thing. You just got to be patient with it. That's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. I also want to let you know that if you want to join the Discord, we have a 100% win rate. We have not lost. But don't be stupid though. Like, if I say buy, you buy. When I say sell, you sell. Because some of you who are in the Discord, sometimes you buy garbage and then you blame me, Petar. You blame me for the loss when I'm like, bro, I did not tell you to buy that. And I did not buy that. I said, if you want to buy it, go ahead, but I'm not buying that. If I say I'm not buying something, it's probably because I don't believe in it. I don't have the conviction for it. It's too risky. There's always a reason why. And I'm telling you right now, colors a buy, accumulate it. Too many of you get scared, or you see your portfolio is red and you just start crying, and I'm just like where are the balls on these people?